So second example. In first example, we have already taken 4 type of transaction, and on the due date all bills were honored. In second example, same transaction repeated, but on the due date the Dravi dishonored the bill. So how to record this transaction? So check the example. On 10th January, Kishore sold a goods worth of 10,000 to Ramesh, and on the same day he draw a bill amounted rupees 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 and 4,000 respectively. Acceptance were issued from Ramesh, and Kishore gives the further information as under. So first bill amount period is 1 month, retained himself up to due date. Same transaction repeated as the first example. Second bill, which period is 2 months, sent to bank for collection on 11th January. Third, which period is 3 months, discounted with bank at the rate of 10% per annum on 13th January. And fourth bill, which period is 4 months, endorsed to Rohit on 5th January. So on the due date, 4 bills dishonored. In first example, all 4 bills honored by Shailesh. In this example, all 4 bills were dishonored by Ramesh. So how to pass the dishonored entry in a different 4 situation is taken in this example. So we start. So first, graphical information, graphical presentation. Mr. Kishore sold a goods worth rupees 10,000 to Ramesh on 10th January. Next, on the same day, draw a 4 bill, acceptance were issued from Ramesh. Out of 10,000, first bill amounted rupees 1,000, retained himself. Second bill amounted rupees 2,000, sent to bank for collection on 11th January. Third bill discounted with the bank. So how to calculate the discount amount? Again repeats a formula. Now, amount of bill multiplied by period of bill multiplied by rate. Rate of discount divided by 100 multiplied by 12 months. So in this example, bill amount is 3,000, period is 3 months, rate is 10%. So 3,000 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 10 divided by 100 multiplied by 12. Discount amount will be 75. So bill amount 3,000, bank deducted a discount at the time of discounted of bill rupees 75, means drawer will receive 2,925. And fourth bill endorsed to Rohit on 15th January. But on the due date, first, second, third, fourth, all bills are dishonored. Means Dravi was unable to pay the 4 bill amount on a particular due date. So entries will be passed in the books of Kishore. Kishore is a drawer. So 10th January, goods sold to Ramesh by Kishore. So benefit goes to Ramesh. So Ramesh account debit 10,000 and credit what goes out? Goods goes out. So to goods or a sales account 10,000 being goods sold on credit. On the same day, 4 bills are drawn. Acceptance were received. Bills being received. So bills receivable account debit 10,000 and received from Ramesh. So to Ramesh account. Means for this topic, you have to perfect knowledge of a rule of personal account, nominal account and real account. So example will be easy to us. So in this entry, bill receivable account debit means as per real account rule, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. To Ramesh account credit, rule is personal account, debit to the receiver, credit to the giver. So being 4 bill accepted by Ramesh. So next, first bill retained himself up to due date, but second bill on 11th January sent to bank for collection. So entry bill sent to bank for collection account debit amounted to rupees 2,000. To bills receivable account credit what goes out, bill goes out to bank Therefore, to bills receivable account 2000, being second bill sent to bank for collection. Third bill on 13th January discounted. Discounted means sold. In simple language, sold to bank means cash received. So bank account debit 2,925. Bank deducted a discount means our loss, our expenses. As for nominal account expenses account always debited. So discount account debit rupees 75. To bills receivable account 3,000, being third bill discounted with bank. And fourth bill on 15th January endorsed to Rohit. Endorse means handover. Handover to Rohit. Benefit goes to Rohit. So Rohit account debit 4,000 and credit what goes out, bill goes out. Therefore to bills receivable account 4,000. Being fourth bill endorsed to Rohit. But on the due date, all the four bills were dishonored. So first bill dishonored, which is written by Kishore himself. So on 13th February, bill draw on 10th January. Period is 1 month. So 10th February, addition of 3 days, means 13th February. Bill dishonored means benefit, temporary benefit goes to Ramesh. Therefore, Ramesh account debit 1,000. Two bills receivable account because bill written by Drabar up to due date. Therefore, two bills receivable account 1,000. Being first bill dishonored. The second bill, which period is 2 months. So 13th February is the due date. Again benefit goes to Ramesh. So Ramesh account debit 1,000. Two bills. Ramesh account debit 2,000. To bill sent to bank for collection account 2,000 at the time of due date. At the time of dishonored, bill was at bank which is sent for collection. Therefore, two bills sent to bank for collection. If Drabar retained himself, two bills receivable account credit. If bill sent to bank for collection, so two bills sent to bank for collection account 2,000, being second bill dishonored. Then third bill, due date 13th April. Again, benefit goes to Ramesh because he dishonored the bill. So Ramesh account debit to bank account because third bill discounted with bank means at the time of dishonored bill at bank. So to bank account is 3,000, being third bill dishonored. Again, check the point if bill written by himself. So two bills receivable account credited. If bill sent to bank for collection, at that time two bills sent to bank for collection account credited. If bill discounted with bank, so to bank account. And in fourth transaction on 13th May, fourth bill also dishonored. So again benefit goes to Ramesh. So Ramesh account debit 4,000 and bill at Rohit because fourth bill endorsed by Drabar. So to Rohit account rupees 4,000 being fourth bill dishonored. So first bill retained himself contributed. So to Dravi account debit to bills receivable account. If bills sent to bank for collection, again Dravi account debit to bills sent to bank for collection account. If bill discounted with bank, so Dravi account debit to bank account. If bill endorsed, again Dravi account debit, endorsee account credit. So fourth bill dishonored. This type of transaction recorded by Drabar in his journal. But what is about Dravi? Journal entries in the books of Ramesh. Ramesh is a Dravi. So 10th January he purchased a goods. So goods comes in, debit what comes in. Therefore goods or purchases account debit 10,000 and per credit to the giver. Kishore sold a goods or credit to us. So to Kishore account 10,000. Being goods purchase on credit. Next, on the same day, fourth bill accepted by ourselves. So and hand over to Kishore. So benefit goes to Kishore. So Kishore account debit 10,000 to bills payable account 10,000 being 4 bill accepted which was drawn by a Pankaj. So on the due date of first bill, we are unable to pay in bill dishonored at the due date. So 13th February, bills payable account debit 1,000 means bill cancelled, means bill comes, returns ourselves. So debit what comes in? So bills payable account debit 1,000 to Kishore account 1,000 being first bill dishonored. On 13th May, second bill also dishonored. Again bills payable account debit to Kishore account 2,000 being second bill dishonored. Third bill due date 13th April, again bill dishonored. Bills payable account debit 3,000 to Kishore account 3,000 being third bill dishonored. And fourth bill due date 13th May, bills payable account debit 4,000 to Kishore account 4,000 being fourth bill dishonored on due date. So check the dishonored entry in the books of Ravi. All these 4 entries are same. Check first bill, bills payable account debit Kishore account. Second, bills payable account debit to Kishore. Bills payable account debit to Kishore. Bills payable account to Kishore. So all these dishonored entries are same. So we can pass only single entry. Bills payable account debit 10,000 to Kishore account 10,000. But in this example, all the 4 bills due date is different. First is different, second is different, third is different, fourth is different. So that's why we pass the separate 4 entries of dishonored of the bill in the books of Ravi. If the due date also will be remain same, so there is no separate 4 entries. There will be pass only single entry. Bills payable account debit 10,000 to Kishore account 10,000, and being all the 4 bills are dishonored, but it is depend on due date of that particular bill. So again, rule: bills retain himself by drawer, bill sent to bank for collection, bill endorsed, bill discounted, entry never pass in the books of Ravi.